Good morning, class 4 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Now, welcome back to English grammar class. Today we will learn about tenses, simple present tense and simple past tense. Open at page number 76 of your grammar book. Read the rules, how to use simple present tense and past tense, and look at the example. Now, have a short discussion with you how to use simple present tense and simple past tense. At first you have to know when do we use simple present tense. We use simple present tense when the actions are taking place. যখন কোনো ঘটনা ঘটবে, taking place now or today. This time we use simple present tense. Okay? First now look at the verb forms of the simple present tense. We use simple present form with the pronouns I, we, you, they and third person plural. Third person plural. Or plural nouns. Okay. Like I go to school. I go to school. It is singular but we use only the simple form of verb. Like we walk. Okay. Next, we add s to the verbs in case of third person singular. Like, for example, now here I am writing the example: he eats rice. Okay. We add s verb plus s. We add s to the verbs because he it's third person singular. We add es to the verbs that end with ch, sh, x and o. For example, he goes to school. Verb, main verb plus es. But remember, these rules is only applied in case of he, she, it or third person singular number. So we add es to the verbs that end with ch, sh, x and o. Right? Relax, r-e-l-a-x. The simple present form relaxes, r-e-l-a-x-e-s. Watch. For example, watch, w-a-t-c-h. What? Watches, w-a-t-c-h-e-s. We add es because it ends with ch, ends with x, it ends with o. Okay. Next rule, we drop the y and add is when we make the simple present form, but it is also applied in case of third person singular or he, she, it. Like, for example, he carries, c-a-r-r-i-e-s, carries a heavy box. He carries a heavy box, main verb plus ies. Carry, c-a-r-r-i, carry, we drop the y and add ies, c-a-r-r-i-e-s. Okay, like study, studies. Okay, and the last, but the verbs that ending in y but have a vowel before y, we simply add s. This is also in case of third person singular or he, she, it. For example, that ends in y. He obeys his parents. Look at the verb. He obeys his parents. Obey, its main verb. So verb plus s. But here is y. But look at the vowel, e, vowel. So we simply add s. Okay, is that clear? Like lay, l-a-y-lay, the bird. I can say the bird lays eggs in its nest. Lay, l-a-y, but we don't add is because a it's a vowel. So the simple present form is lays, l-a-y-s. Okay. Is that clear? The same rules happen in case of simple past tense, but we have to know when do we use simple past tense. We use simple past tense when we want to denote the action that happened before or yesterday. Okay, for example, I watched a film yesterday. Okay, I watched a film yesterday. This is simple past tense and main verb plus ed. Watch, it is the main verb and we add ed. Okay, so in case of simple present tense we add ed to the verbs. Okay, but remember we only add the d in case of the verbs that end in e, like he liked ice creams. Look at the verb like, its main verb, but we only add d. Why? Because that end in e. We like ice cream, like hope, h-o-p, hope. Okay, is that clear? Next rules, we double the last word of we double the last syllable of a verb if it is a single, like stop. Like stop, the word stop. But the past form is simple present, but simple past stopped. We pronounce the word with a single syllable, stop. There is no other syllable, not disyllable, not trisyllable. In case of single syllable word, we double the last word letter. Here is stopped. Another example, nod. দেখো একবারে উচ্চারণ করা যাচ্ছে না, স্টপ, নট, এগুলো কিন্তু ডাইসিলেবল বা ট্রাইসিলেবল নয়, সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা ডাবল করে দিই, লাস্ট লেটারটা সব সময় ডাবল হবে। নট, নডেড, এন ও ডাবল ডি ডি, নডেড। গ্র্যাব, গ্র্যাব। Okay, and the same rules occurred here in case of present tense and past tense. Present এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি করেছিলাম, সি এ ডবল আর ওই ক্যারি চেঞ্জ করেছিলাম, ক্যারি সি এ ডবল আর আই ই এস, এটা প্রেজেন্ট। But in case of past tense, carried, c a double r i e d, carried, it's past. In case of present tense we add ies, and in case of past tense we add ied. Okay, is that clear? We drop the y and add ied in case of past tense, and we drop the y and add ies in case of present tense. Okay, is that clear? So that's all for the day. Thank you, have a nice day, read carefully. Okay, tata.